How to loop music on Spotify. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video on app tutorial. If you're also trying to loop your music on your Spotify account, then let me show you the process of doing it. If you don't have the premium version of Spotify, you won't be able to loop songs using the mobile app of Spotify. In that case, you can only loop songs using the website of Spotify. So just open up spotify.com and then log into your Spotify account. Pick any song, and once the song plays, you'll see this option right here. Click on it and click on it until this one appears, and this way the only one song will repeat. But if you are a premium user of Spotify, you can also find this option on the mobile app and you can easily click on it. But for the free users, you can only do it within the website of Spotify. You can pick any song and make sure that this one appears on the repeat. This way your songs will play on a repeat as long as you want it. That was the process of looping songs on Spotify. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more informative videos. Thanks for watching.